In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the picture size in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a document for school, work, or a personal project, knowing exactly how large your images are can be crucial. So, if you've ever found yourself wondering just how big that image really is, stay with me as we explore this simple task together. First off, let's begin by selecting the picture you want to check. Simply click on the image within your document. Once you've clicked it, you should notice a border appearing around the picture, complete with small circles or squares known as resizing handles. These handles indicate that the image is ready to be resized or modified. Now that we have our picture selected, the next step is moving on to the Layout or Format tab. If you're using Word 2016 or a later version, locate the Picture Format tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen. Bear in mind that this might just be labeled as Format in some older versions of Word. Clicking on this tab will open up a series of options dedicated to your image. It's essentially a toolkit, providing various choices for how you might want to edit or adjust the picture. Once you're on the Picture Format tab, direct your attention to the right side of the ribbon where you'll find the Size group. Within this area, you'll be able to see the dimensions of your image, specifically the height and width. These numbers reflect the current size of your picture, and they'll display in inches or centimeters, depending on how your Word settings are configured. This makes it straightforward to tell at a glance if your image is the right size for your specific needs. Now, for those who might prefer a more detailed view, Microsoft Word also offers an alternative method. For this, look closely at the bottom right corner of the Size group for a small diagonal arrow. Clicking on this arrow will open up the Size and Position dialog box. This box provides a more comprehensive overview, showing you both the exact height and width of your image. Here, you have the added capability of adjusting the size if needed, with the reassurance that the aspect ratio is locked to maintain the proportions of the image. And there you have it, checking the size of a picture in Microsoft Word. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that all images in your documents are properly sized and aligned with your preferred presentation style. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy Word tips and tutorials.